Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete account on Google Authenticator. So in order to delete account on Google Authenticator, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Authenticator. And after you open this, it's going to look something like this. So here, tap on the tab bar icon and go to settings. So when you go to settings, you want to go ahead and make sure to click on the plus button, or you could just click on the initials, after which you could then go ahead and click on the edit button. So after which you could then go ahead and click on the button, just long press onto it, and you could find the bin icon, which you could go ahead and delete the account on Google Authenticator. So just follow the option prompt, and that is how you'll be able to delete your Google Authenticator on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.